Well, this is me jumping out of an 15,000 feet aeroplane. Want to know how I ended up in here? So watch this video till the end. Hi guys, today I'm with the bravest people I ever met. What are you going to do today?
Hopefully we don't die. What are you going to do today?
So if you're up to a tandem skydiving, this video is for you because I'm gonna take you through the entire process of this experience. Alright, as the first step, you have to go to the reception, check in and register for the jump. Then you will receive this training card and you have to wait for your name to be called for the training. It's going to be the biggest experience in my life. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's see after the jump. And this place is in Durham, Newcastle. And we are waiting outside for us to call in. Normally, the waiting times may be quite long, so I suggest you to have some meal, drink some water, stay hydrated, be ready for the jump, keep your mind relaxed and calm. In the place where I did my tandem skydiving, they had this wall all filled with the opinions, feedback of the people who already did the tandem skydiving with them. This helped me to build my confidence, reading their positive feedback and seeing these amazing photographs. Importantly, do not try to wear heavy clothes when you do this skydive. Try to wear light clothes. I recommend sportwear is the best. And all the other gear like helmets, jerseys, gloves will be there on the spot where you do the dive, so you can buy it from there. Wearing gloves is not compulsory, but I will recommend it's good for your own safety. Believe me guys, you do not have to worry about the safety of doing a tandem skydiving, because the failure rate is 0.4% for every 100,000 jumps. The next step is training. So during this time you will be provided with an instructor. He will provide you all the guidance and what things you should do during the jump and how to land properly and how you have to place your hands. Everything will be taught here. Also, if there is an emergency situation like plane crash, a problem with the parachute, what you have to do, all the guidance will be given here, so you don't have to worry. You'll be properly trained before your jump. And this is the final wait. You have to wait for your name to be appeared on the screen, which will be your jump. And when your name appears, you will go inside the hangar. They will put the harness on you and wait for others to finish their jump. As you can see, the far end ground area, people are already coming down. For me, watching others coming down is quite a watch and learn moment before my jump. Finally, your name appears on the screen. It's time for you to jump, and this is me with the harness, getting ready to do the jump, and that's our ride. So the rest of this video, enjoy the skydiving experience of me.
Hello, welcome to Sky High Skydive. Tell us your name and why we're in the harness today.
Hi, I'm here looking for more adventure. Like to do some scary thing.
Brilliant. Bucket list.
Bucket list.
Never done it before,
never done this before, yeah.
Good. How are you feeling? Nervous?
Quite nervous and excited.
Yeah,
both
good.
at the same time.
Brilliant. Are you ready to go and have some fun then?
Sometimes I compromise, sometimes I tell a lie, but it's only to myself. Sometimes I make mistakes, regret choices that I've made. I never cry out for help.
the midair, everyone was waiting for the light to turn green. When it says red, you hit the 15,000 feet, and when it's green, you are good to go. Everyone was like, go, 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 let's jump out of the plane. And it's my turn. This was the most scariest part for me of this experience. He pushes you little by little to the very edge of the plane, and within seconds you will be out of the plane. And when you just go out of the plane, I felt like I couldn't breathe for a moment because it's the free fall, and if you have a bad nose, I would recommend you to wear a helmet like my instructor, but it would be fine. It will be for like 3 to 4 seconds.
Well done, well done.
You try to cover me. Try the parachute.
Woo, woo. Pull down, right that side, other side high.
Woo! Try the parachute.
High, hands high. Yeah. Hands up.
The view that you will get when you get the chance to handle the parachute from your instructor. Believe me guys, this experience was one of the best that I ever gone through in my life. So I recommend you to try skydiving at least once in a lifetime. You get the chance to face the worst fears. And remember, when you're about to hit the ground, always try to keep your legs up.
Trapped inside the mind of a dream. Inside of all the visions.
Hey, welcome back. How was that?
Yes, it was very exciting.
Yeah?
I enjoyed every bit of it. Though it's scared.
What was your favourite part?
Oh, the moment that we jumped out of the plane.
Out of the plane.
I got my ears locked. I felt so scared, but I'm not scared anymore.
Would you do it again?
Yeah, we'll do it again.
Yeah? Brilliant. We'd love to have you back at Sky High.
Thank you for
Thanks for
getting me on the
joining. You
ground.
jump with Dave and you went skydiving.
Here we are, the final step of landing. So my jump was around 7 minutes. There was a 1 minute free fall, and he gave me the chance to handle the parachute in mid-air and given me some training on how to land properly. You have to keep your legs up all the time. Don't worry, you will be trained for this. And thank you for watching my video, and I give all the credits to Sky High Skydiving getting us safe down there. So I will mention all the other information like prices, how to book this one in the description. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Boy in Britain. See you soon with more adventures.